you just purchased the new Mercedes-Benz EQ Formula E e-bike, and you're probably asking yourself a lot of questions that you don't have answers for. Well, I am here to answer all of those questions about your new e-bike. So let's get right into it. Where do we charge this thing? So you can charge the bike via this port here, or if we put that right back on, we can take the seat off. And at that point, all you have to do is just pull on this little tab to pull the battery out and connect this little guy here. This is where it would actually plug in to charge it. And then you can just charge the battery with it out of the bike. Here is the charger pack. Again, this little guy here will plug into the end here or just here on the e-bike. Oh, and to remove the seat, all you have to do is loosen this little clamp here, just like so, and then just shimmy it off the bike. Likewise to put it right back on. And then just secure the clamp and the seat's back on. So after you charged your e-bike, which will charge 100% only after 3.5 hours, you can push this little button underneath the bike here. After you push that, you can tell it is 100% charged, and now pedal assist has been turned on, and the electric motor will assist you as you're pedaling. To turn it off, just push the button again. You'll see that it'll turn red, and then it is a normal bike at that point. So this e-bike uses a continuously variable transmission, or CVT for short, and it is carbon belt driven. So as you are pedaling, you can adjust the intensity of the pedaling. So as we turn this up, you can see this little image here. We have like a grade and more of a hill, so it's going to be a lot harder to pedal. And then you can loosen it up just by turning it back, and it flattens right out. If you need to adjust the dimensions of the seat, all you have to do is loosen up the screw here to slide the seat forward and backward, and of course, loosen up the clamp here to raise the seat up and down. Lastly, 2 fun facts about the Mercedes-Benz EQ bicycle are the tires are puncture resistant and it uses hydraulic disc brakes. So now that you know the ins and outs of the new Mercedes-Benz Formula EQ bicycle, it's time to get out and hit the road.